Very good morning from London. Welcome to the RANsquawk European morning briefing for today, Monday the 3rd of October. Risk aversion, the dominant theme in the early part of the European session, sparked by the reports over the weekend that Greece is to miss the budget deficit's targets spelled out by the Troika both this year and next. So some negative news again coming out of Greece. There was some positive news out over the weekend regarding China, the PMI numbers coming in higher than expected, contrary to the current fears regarding a hard landing in China. Nevertheless, the European markets opening lower across the board, the DAX index opening down over 3% down, and we did see some further focus on the French banking sector following reports over the weekend and this morning that Dexia may be needing nationalisation, with Moody's placing their ratings on review for a downgrade, particularly affecting French banks at the open. Then BNP Paribas were at one point trading down 8.5%. However, there has been an uptick in risk sentiment across as we move through the European session. Eurozone looking to come back to unchanged. We've seen the fixed income markets giving back some of their earlier gains. The bunds trading back towards the 137.00 mark, and equity markets, although still trading negatively, coming off their worst levels. This is from the manufacturing PMI data out of the Eurozone countries, coming in higher than expected. The German number coming in above the key 50 level. And we have seen some uptick in risk sentiment on the back of that, particularly for the UK manufacturing PMI coming in at 51.1, a lot higher than expected, and we see some increased volatility in cable, immediately spiking up around 35 pips to the upside before reversing due to the exports orders component coming in a lot lower than expected. Overall in cable, a point move cumulatively there. Looking elsewhere as we move through the rest of the session, there will be lots of focus in the US on the ISM manufacturing number. That's the key data out of the US. And in the Euro area, there is the Eurogroup meeting taking place around 4 o'clock London time, in which they are expected to talk about EFSF leveraging. This has been noted by the Austrian Finance Minister Fechter, that these discussions will take place. So some risk appetite being seen on the back of that in regards to the developments expected from this meeting. Prior to that, Olli Rehn will be holding his own private meeting at 11:45 London time. However, no details emerging regarding this, but it does look quite important, particularly with the Greek finance minister flying in late last night to attend. So we're keeping a close eye out on any emanations from that meeting. And then following later on in the US session will be the start of Operation Twist, so we'll be keeping a close eye on the Treasury notes on the back of that and how they react to the Operation Twist commencement. But that's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.